Shawna. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. Yeah, I just got a new mountain bike. I'm gonna go mountain biking today. I've never been. I'm super stoked about it. Did you want to come?
That's awesome. I do, but are you going right now?
Yeah.
Oh, like right now,
Yeah.
this is how you're gonna go mountain biking?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's good. Can I actually help you with just like a few things?
Sure.
Okay. Quickly, I'm just gonna take these illegal things away from you. So, Pompeii, probably not a good idea, and you should probably quit smoking. So I'm just gonna put these over here.
Okay.
Also, can I help you with like some gear? Yeah, you've got more than one. Oh, okay. Definitely not a good idea while mountain biking. So, is that what you're gonna wear too? Like those shoes? Those are really nice.
Yeah, I just got a pedicure, so.
Oh, that's why you're not. Okay, that's why you're not.
Sporting the do.
Cool. Okay, I have some things that can definitely help you out here. So,
Okay.
I just happen to have on me some mountain biking equipment.
Okay. Wow, what do we got in there?
So here's some gloves. These will protect your hands. And first things first, I'm going to give you some shoes. So you should probably take your footwear pretty seriously in order to protect your knees.
Okay. Well, I guess they're pink, so that's cool.
Some mountain bikers actually have clip-on shoes where they clip into the straps or into the pedals. So
Wow.
yeah, those are running shoes. And here's some wrist guards because I heard that you're in massage school. So definitely always wear your wrist guards. Also, this here is a Fox racing shirt, and it's really good to have long sleeves on because you want to pick up the branches and stuff.
Branches, hey?
Oh yeah, well you're going mountain biking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, keyword there is mountain, so we're gonna have to protect you very well.
Wow.
And a helmet, of course, because always wear your helmet. Never forget to wear your helmet every day, even when you're just regularly biking.
A helmet?
Yeah, super dumb not to wear a helmet.
Okay, but other people will be doing it too?
Yeah, you won't be the only one.
Okay.
It'll look really cool.
Well, that's good to know.
So while you're getting all set up, here I'll just put your helmet right here. I can just show you this measuring tool that I made. This is called plumb bobbing. So this is a plumb bob here, and all that it is a weight attached onto a piece of string. So you can actually make this out of anything. We made ours out of dental floss and a piece of rock, and you just want it so that it hangs straight down. So I'll show you a few things as far as setting up your bike goes. This doesn't just have to be mountain biking. This is so that you're really protecting your knee to the best that you can, so that the forces acting on it don't cause any strain or stress, because the repetitive motion of pedaling, although you're not directly contacting the ground, can still affect those joints, even though it tends to be a safer form of activity. So what I'm going to do is raise your seat so that it's not grinding, the bottom of your patella isn't grinding on your femur. So based on your height, I'm just guessing, but I'm going to get you to sit on it, and we'll see if this works.
Can we put these on up the mountain?
Yeah, we'll gear you up when we're up there and have everything on that you should be wearing while you're biking. So if you could just sit on the bike, and I can kind of hold it if you want.
Oh wow, that's much higher, isn't it?
Is it?
Wow. Okay.
Okay, perfect. So I'll hold it for you here.
Yeah.
And then I'll get you to put your foot on the pedal. So you want to have it where it's at about, if this were a clock, it would be at 5:30.
5:30?
Yeah, so put your foot on the pedal there.
Okay.
Okay, great. So you'd have both feet up. And then you want to look at the angle of the leg here. So you want to have it in a position of about 35 to 25 degrees. And you can use a goniometer, or you can sort of do it by eye. It's good to practice. And then along with this plumb bob here, you want to drop it from the knee down. And this is actually too far forward because you want to have it fall right in front of the pedal spindle here. So right in front of, like, the center of the pedal here. And let's see. So I would move the seat a little bit further forward so that that's directly lined up. So once you get the measurements set perfectly, you want to record where the seat's at, because it can get jostled around and move around, and you want to have it at this position for the optimum power and also for safety.
Okay.
So that's pretty much ready to go, but I will say that for anyone that's starting out with the sport, you definitely want to go into a shop and they'll fit your bike for you, and you want to look at frame is key, handlebar size, everything has to do sort of with your own personal size and Okay, so
Okay. And gear, I guess I didn't really think about gear, so that's pretty important too.
very important.
Got the gloves now, I got wrist guards for later when we get into it.
Yeah.
And I got new running shoes, which fit me perfectly, by the way, thank you. And everything's pink, this is awesome.
Awesome, okay.
So do you want to come?
Yeah, definitely. I'm just gonna go get my bike and I will meet you.
Okay, cool. Do you want to meet back at the tree? I'm just going to take my new bike for a ride.
Okay. I'm gonna teach you how to
sounds
do some backflips. It's gonna be awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
Woohoo!